and salutations. I'm here today at the Goodwill Marketplace in Santa Ana. Ooh, look at those chairs and that art. Pretty. Hey, these are Pottery Barn, Emma. Ooh, the rest of the furry chairs are gone. I bought them the other day and now they've disappeared. I'm pretty sure they sold this at Pottery Barn. But the piece de resistance is... Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house and I'm really excited to share with you guys what we got today at the store because we got some amazing stuff that I cannot wait to share with all of you. So, okay, first things first. Oh, by the time you guys see this video, I think I should still be having the sale. So, until January 9th, 2020, there's going to be a sale in the shop, itsHadrian.com, 20% off, or 25% off your entire purchase. And it's because we finally got to 10K on Instagram. There's 10K plus of the Thrift Squad, you guys, and me on Instagram. Very excited. So you guys are ready to follow me there. Go over there, head over, hit that little follow button, and share your thrift finds with me because I love seeing what you guys find. And there's going to be a giveaway announced very soon as well for on Instagram and here as well on YouTube. So keep a lookout. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this haul. The first thing I have here in this bag is a box of ribbon. So ribbon is so expensive. And this is like satin ribbon. So I had to just get all of it because I want to use it for gifts. I want to use it for decor. Like there's lots of things you can do with this. And the yardage is amazing. Because I think this one is, oh, this is 100 yards for this, like this style. And I think this one, it says they are 50 yards, which is a lot. And these were only 99 cents each. So I got a bunch of it. I got this like platinum color. I got this like rust. This sky blue. This one's like another platinum. I got this like burgundy color. What else do I have here? I got this yellow, which is really, really pretty. Like that. And then I got this green. So I think that's a deal for $1 each for getting all that yardage of ribbon. Satin ribbon. It's going to be awesome. So, I know I'm going to have a lot of uses for these. Mom's going to have a lot of uses for these. She likes to, like, wrap things up. Presents or tie a ribbon, like, if you're going to give, like, a basket full of goodies, just tie, like, a cute little ribbon at the top. You know, so lots of things that you can use these for. Oh, she also likes to make bows. So, definitely excited about those. Then another thing that Mom is going to love, I haven't even showed these to her because I honestly kind of forgot that I even bought them in the first place. But they are these plastic reusable baggies. So they're from Homelux Theory. I looked these up on Amazon. I think they're on sale right now for a set of 3 or 4. It's about $20-something, which is pretty expensive. If they weren't on sale, I think it's like $35 or $36. I got these for 99 cents each, and I have 4 of them. So for $4, I got 4. And these are really, really nice. My mom already has some of these, but the plastic isn't as thick, and it's not as nice. Like this thing is like super nice. Like it closes it really, really well. Whereas the other ones, you kind of just like push them closed, but this is like just really grips on really, really nice. And all of these are like dishwasher safe. I think they're also freezer safe. You can obviously use them in the fridge. So I just thought these were super duper cool. Very excited about these. Gonna give these to Mom right after this video. Then another thing that I was very excited about, and when I was in the store, I was talking about finding something like this, and I can't believe I found it. And I think it's because the day before I found something else that was off on the shelf. But I actually almost bought these from Michael's, this like little set, and it's so cool. And it's like a set of tools and tips for your scout elf. So it comes with like all these little goodies, like the chair, the ribbon, the ice skates, and all this stuff. And you can have them do like crazy wonky stuff like hanging off the window or the chandelier. And just like, I don't know, I thought just it's like super duper cool. And it was $9.99. I think this was $25 at Michael's. and you couldn't use any coupons on it because it wouldn't have been so bad if I could have used the 50% off coupon. Coupons were not eligible for Elf on the Shelf items, which is what it said on the little coupon, and I was heartbroken. But not anymore, because this year we're going all out with Elf on the Shelf. It's gonna be intense. I don't know. I'm crazy. Okay, enough about that. Then up next, this was a super duper cool find as well. Possibly even cooler than the Elf on the Shelf. And it is this beautiful pink suede Rebecca Minkoff motorcycle jacket. It is in fantastic shape too. It's so cute. It's a size medium. I'm gonna see if my sister can fit in it, but she's usually like an extra small, so I don't know if it's gonna fit. But this jacket is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. There was only $11.99 or $11.49. $11.49. That is nuts. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the lining is all pink too. Like, it's a really nice jacket. Rebecca Minkoff is pretty expensive too. Just her handbags alone, I know, are fairly pricey. And this is a all leather suede jacket. That has got to have been a pretty penny. But the pièce de résistance of the day, which I'm probably most excited about, and I've actually been using this bag since I got it. I actually used it this morning. Is this Bayo tote bag. It's in like a graphite gray color. Super, super cute. So excited. And this is authentic, which is super duper cool as well. I found a lot of like fake ones. I found one other authentic one in the past, and it's like the black. It was like all black, almost like a patent looking black. But this guy was $7.99, which is crazy. And I know like a lot of like company, like brand or like places sell bags very similar to this. That's probably why they thought it was maybe just like a fake one. But it is so super cool. I love it so much. I'm very happy. It looks really cute with one of my little Fendi bug charms on it. So, and these bags are pretty expensive. I actually want to look up how much it costs. So, uno momento, I should have done this before the video. Okay, I found it. They retail for $425, and this is at Bloomingdale's. So, what a great deal for a $425 bag to get for $7.99. That is amazing. So I'm very, very, very happy, very excited, and that is going to end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and checking out what we found at the store. Again, the Santa Ana store is excellent. It's one of the largest stores in Orange County. I think it is the largest store. It's also connected to the Goodwill headquarters. So there's 3 stores there. There's the regular Goodwill, the Goodwill Marketplace, which is the outlet, and the Computer Works store. Amazing. So if you guys are ever in the area, please go. Let me know if you guys go. Let me know if you guys find anything, because I love hearing what you guys find as well. But I hope you guys had fun with this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Let's grow our thrift squad. And I love you guys immensely. So don't forget to check out tomorrow's video. It's up at 7 a.m. bright and early. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye! I want to show you guys what I found so far. I have like pink thing. I don't know, I'm thinking about getting it for my sister, but I don't think she needs it. Laundry hamper, but I don't have any cars, so I was carrying stuff around inside here. But I found this elf set thing, and I literally almost bought this at Michael's full price because I thought it would be so fun for the kids, but there wasn't enough time left in December to get it and have it feel worth it. Good thing I waited, because the Goodwill has blessed me. Remember when I was over there in the Disney section, in the Christmas section? Yeah, this is only $10. This was twice the price at Michael's. Then I found these, Mom loves these reusable Ziploc bags. Super cute. These, a set of 4 of these on Amazon are like 30 something. I think they're on sale for 20, and these are just $1 each. So I think these are a pretty good deal. Mom loves these. Reusable, you can put them in the dishwasher. They're awesome. I got these cool like sandals. I don't know if I'm gonna get them, but they're like Timberland.